Many of you know the frustrations when you can't find or can't remember where you stored the extension cords, light remotes, Christmas letterhead, ornament hooks, door hangers. You know, all of those things you need to start preparing and decorating for the holidays. I know, I was there with you. This is the reason why I created the Open Me First bin. It rids me of all of those holiday frustrations by having the items I need to start decorating and preparing for the holidays quickly. Here's everything outside of the Open Me First bin. As you can see, I have several bins here. I like to group like items together. It's easy to find that way. Most of you are familiar with the October bin. I've already shown you. If you're interested, I will link that in the iCard above. But we have the hooks and bags bin. We have the lights bin, cards. And over here in this section, we have garland grabbers, novelty pens, candles, trivia games, batteries, and battery operated candles. And we also have door hooks here. So this is everything that was inside that bin. I will take you through each of them except for the October bin. So we will start with these individual items over here because it would take more room for me to go through the bins. The first item here is the game trivia box. I love this game on Christmas. It's basically Christmas trivia for different things to learn about Christmas that you didn't know. It's quite a few interesting things in here that you don't know about Christmas, and they have so many cards in here, so it's full of information. It's a lot of fun, and my guest loves it. Then this box here is all the games, rules, and things in that nature. Sometimes we forget the rules. Sometimes we forget how to play the game because I don't do every game for every Christmas party that we have. So I have the rules in here for round robin, the Christmas trivia, and also Secret Santa and things of that nature. So I like to keep those in here because the guys can get pretty competitive. So I like to have the rules available. The next box here is all of my batteries. Here is a tip. For the batteries that I use, I mark them used because I have found that it saves money to reuse them, especially if you have these batteries inside the little twinkling lights. They don't pull a lot of juice. So I have found that I can use batteries at least once more. So I like to mark them, and I keep all of my D's in here, my AAA's and my AA's batteries in here for all of my candles, my twinkling lights, and things in that nature. Okay, as you can see, I have one candle left. I normally have 6 in total to try to cover all of my rooms that I decorate, and this is my favorite. It's called Fallen Snow. I purchased this from Big Lots, and it was for $8, and I got it on sale for $1.99 at the end of the season. And as you can see, I am working on this one, but I need some more, and I'm hoping that Big Lots have more for this year, so I'll be going out to purchase some more of this. But this smells so good. I love it. So here are my garland grabbers. I love these things. I had them for years and years and years, and I think I purchased them from Linens and Things. I don't know if you remember Linens and Things. They were like Bed Bath & Beyond, and they're great for banisters to hold your garland, and also to hold your garland on your mantle, because they also come with a packet of these glue packs here that you put on your mantle, and it sticks beautifully and it easily comes up. If you know of a place where you can get these, put them in the comments below. Here are some novelty pens that I thought would be fun that I wear at work or at home for when I give my social events. I give some to my guests as one of the favors in their bags. But basically they're just little pens that blinks. And it comes in wreaths. We have stockings. We have light bulbs. We have Christmas trees. But they're so cute. They're little brooches. They have the little pin. And you just take this tag off here and they'll start blinking right in this section. These battery operated candles are from Michael's. I purchased these at the end of the season. They were $29.99, They're LED candles with the remote control. There's a 9-piece and it's from Ashland. And they had several of these at the beginning of the Christmas season. But right at the end, when everything went on sale, these things were probably the first to go. So here's my door hooks. I have about 2 black ones, 2 white ones, and 2 clear ones. This bin is my lights bin. And you notice there isn't an S here, but that's okay. They only have so many letters in a pack. Okay, this is where I keep all of my lights that I decorate my rooms. Here are lights that I use for my kitchen, for the foyer, or any other place, that cabinets that I like to put lights on. We have these little twinkling lights here that I like, these are LED that runs by battery, and they have an on and out switch. These are great to decorate your vases or anything small like that you want to have lights on. So I love these. We also have extension cords in here, because extension cords is another thing that is hard to find when it's time for holiday decorating. And then we have my timer that I use to plug in certain things that I want to operate by the remote control, like my Christmas trees or the lights that's up on the cabinets or anything like that. I like to keep those inside of my light bin. Okay, this is the cards bin. That S is missing, but we're okay. I digress. This is all of my cards that I purchased during the off season. We have all kinds of cards in here for Christmas. And these I really like. I purchased from QVC years ago, but I purchased a lot of them. These are cards, but they have their own CD with Christmas music on them. My neighbors and friends love these, so I normally give those to them, and they have the songs on the back. It's a card and gift in one, basically. And they also come with the envelope, so I really like those. I hope QVC have them again this year so I can stock up. We have other cards in here that I purchased from Big Lots. And I also have in here some homemade invitation kits. We're getting kind of low, so I might have to purchase a little more cards. So now we come to the hooks and bags. And it's just like it said, all the hooks and bags are in here for your ornaments and things in that nature. I love this. This is a great item for decorating your windows with your wreaths, because it snaps on. It's adhesive cups. The air comes out and it compresses. See how you can see the concave? It compresses into the window or any flat surface. And then we have these from Dollar Tree. I buy them every year if I can find them. As soon as they're in the Dollar Tree for the season, they are sold out. So I try to buy those as quickly as I see them. This package holds my paper cutter. I keep my paper cutter in my gift cabinet, so I always know where it is. And this right here are hooks, ornament hooks. There's 50 in a box. I love these. These are so cute. I don't use them that often because they're gold and I don't decorate with gold that much. And I got about 3 of those. These right here has the glass one, and if you can see that, I don't know. And then we have bags for my cookies. I bake cookies every season. This little contraption works. And this is a voltage detector. It's a tool for fixing your lights. If you come across it, grab it. It really does work. And then we have a bag of all of those bulbs that come out of your Christmas lights. You know, they give you an extra bulb. I put all those in this bag here. I have a bag of the hooks that I use. Hooks here. We even have the green hooks here that I like. So that's what's everything inside of this bin. Thank you for all your requests for this video. I hope this was beneficial. I know it's a great tool to have, and it works for me, and it gets me ready for my Christmas holiday preparations and decorating quickly. I'll see you on the next video, my friends. Don't forget to visit my other social media platforms for ideas and tips to decorate, organize, or better your home living. Until the next time, my friends, smooches!